As a real estate agent, you should always strive to go the extra mile. Stay tuned to hear more. In a moment, I'm going to share with you a few ideas, examples, and tips on how to go the extra mile for your clients in real estate. A complete list will be provided for you in the description box below. Let's get started. You should always offer your clients additional services that they don't expect. Here's a few examples. You have a vacant house and your clients need a handyman or repairman to access this house, and you offer to go out to the house to let them in. Next, you have also a vacant home that you sold to your clients. You go by the house every week to do a security check to make sure that nothing is broken and that the house is still secured. Also on that same note, you also check when the house is freezing weather to make sure that there are no frozen pipes and no water in the house. Next, from a buyer's perspective, you offer to preview a home for your client and send them additional pictures and videos. And lastly, when you do sell a home and they need the cable guy to come out, typically you have to be at the house for 3 to 4 hours. You offer to do this for your clients on their behalf. Thanks again so much for watching my video. This is Ken Mucha, Principal Broker with Team Bertola High Desert Realty, coming to you from beautiful Bend, Oregon. For more free real estate tips, simply follow me on my YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram accounts. I really appreciate your time and have an awesome day.